Yeah, that's perfect.
It definitely just changed the look.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, sh.
Yeah. So, photo shoot?
Jesus. This is mad wires.
Yeah, so this is a battery tender. So like, I don't really drive the Z all that much. I really only drive it to drift. And you leave the car too long without driving, battery doesn't charge.
So we taking this thing out for a spin?
Yep, gotta bring this out, getting a new livery, and then see how it looks. I think one of these days this thing's just
Hello?
Yo, I just pulled up.
Oh,
Alright, I'll see you in a sec. Alright, that works. Yeah, bro. Gotta have the flops on for me. What's up, dog? Good to meet you, though. Yeah, this is nice, bro. Yeah, nice little setup over here.
Yeah, it's a bit dirty, but that's the trick. So these other stickers right here.
Yeah, that's perfect. Because Tim, you gotta know I approximated this shit. You know what I'm saying? I used my design program and I was like, yo, that's money. I was thinking about going JDM and like, you know how one logo is right on the other side and the other one's flipped? I was like, nobody's gonna be able to read it. No one knows my logo like that yet. Is that all sticker material up there?
Yeah.
That's good. Timbo, what you doing
What's
here?
up,
Bro?
bro?
You coming here to the TL?
Yeah.
Did you know I was gonna be here?
Yeah, so I bought speakers off of Ricky for my doors because like my driver's side is going out, and he
Are
was
they
like,
like Miata speakers?
no, for the TL.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
so
okay.
he was like, yeah, come over. Your boy's actually coming today. I'm like, all right. Fuck
Hey,
it. I didn't know you had the subs in the back.
bro, I got the two 12-inch
And they're
Subway
fine back there?
sandwiches.
Because I was
Huh?
thinking of putting a sub in the Miata, but I'm like, I don't want it like sliding around or something. That's
Dude,
not
honestly,
OEM.
those
that's
don't
not
slide
like-
around because they have a custom built
I got you.
like thing, but they do flop up and down every time I hit a fucking bump because they're not secured like down.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, no, they bump. Dude, whatever whatever I have in the car is ass. It's probably factory. Bro, if I had a garage set up like this, dude, I'd be fucking in here all day. That's what we finna do to my garage this summer.
Bro, so
Clean
listen,
it out,
listen to
get the whole, you know what I'm saying, get the chill zone. Yo, you see this? Rapping out here, dude.
this. That's hilarious.
You see that, Al?
That's funny.
Got the Sigma right there, ready to go, baby.
What exactly is your brand?
Sigma? Yeah, it's a long explanation. Basically, there's a process in manufacturing that's called Six Sigma.
Oh, I've done that.
And Six Sigma is basically just 6 standard deviations away from zero, so 99.7%. So it's basically a 0.03% failure rate that they're trying to get to, which basically means like 3 errors per million moving transactions. This is what they do in aviation, is how like planes don't crash, supposedly. Right?
It's
And shit
a
like that.
lot.
Yeah.
I work in a manufacturing place, and they
Yeah, they go
take
hard.
that shit serious.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially if you work at Sikorsky or somewhere.
Yeah, I had one of my boys was working at Standard Aero, and once they assembled a jet engine ready to go, and they inspect everything on the fin, on one of the fins there was like a nick. It was like nothing. It was like, you couldn't even see it. It was like a size like a tick,
Yeah.
right? And they're like, nope, take it all apart.
Yeah.
Whole fucking thing, redo. Fuck
Yeah.
that. Like, because
That's someone's life.
yeah, when you're
putting at
flying in the
risk.
air and that shit's micro imbalance.
It's happened at Sikorsky before.
Yeah.
They did a test fly at their base. They're just cruising, went up, and all of a sudden, the propeller like stopped and like snapped them, like whiplashed them,
shit.
and then just went.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
it's fucking crazy.
You know, what'd be crazy too if I got a Sigma logo like an emblem.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, just like kind of like the Nissan.
Yo, that'd be crazy.
I think I
Yeah.
still have
Just a G.
some of that gray somewhere. I have it somewhere.
Oh yeah, don't stress. I ain't worried about it.
Oh, yeah, it's right here.
Perfect. The fucking R32, bro. How's it looking?
Oh, it's good, bro. Like, so I think this weekend, I don't know if it's this weekend, but all the parts came in, so we're gonna go put everything together, reinstall the radiator and all the rest of the shit that the guy took apart, put fresh fluids, got my Liquid Molly sponsor, and then try to start that bitch up. Now, doesn't Netflix have Fast and Furious on?
Oh,
They take it in and out.
Yeah, like the last
What crack are
one.
you smoking?
But I know they got a few of them up there
I
now.
just want to watch the first three.
First three are the best.
After that starts going.
Exactly. It starts going downhill real fast. Like, are we talking about cars or saving the world?
We're talking about cars or family.
Exactly.
Oh, on that side.
It's not on the thing. How many guys does it take to fucking...
And it's gonna look brighter when it's not in here.
Yeah.
It looks darker a little right now, but it definitely just changed the look.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, look.
That's what I'm saying. A little something on the front would do.
Bro,
Like,
I mean, all of this stuff her dad did. So motocross. So like that Sobe bike, he's the one that put that lettering on.
Oh, that's sick.
Like, you know Travis Pastrana?
Yeah.
He's like, he was friends with him. Like, we have a jersey in our basement signed to her dad from him, and it's sick because he used to letter his bikes.
His house now that they drifted Gymkhana at, I think is in PA
okay.
or Mass. Or
I think it was
something.
Ohio. Or Matt
He's born in Maryland.
Getsford. What?
He was born in Maryland.
Born in Maryland. So yeah, he's from the Northeast.
Oh shit! Yeah, the
I
new
can do the
one.
old one too.
No, the new one's fire.
I can literally cut it out real quick.
Okay, do we know what size
The emblem is.
regular emblem is?
You can probably look it up. Yeah.
Yeah, what was it?
I only have
You made that just now?
Yeah.
What? We're supposed to be cooking this shit on the fly. How's it going down there?
Huh?
How's it going down there?
Going out where?
No, like how's it going with that?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Wait. Ask again.
Yeah. Cut that part out. Cut that part out.
Tim's got a button
Shut
phone.
the fuck up.
He's got a fucking, what is that, a 7?
Bro, it's an SE.
SE.
SE?
Mother.
It's a 2020,
Oh.
2023 SE.
SE.
It's okay, we'll cut that part out.
Alright, wait, Ricky, you gotta interpret this shit for us. What does this mean?
What?
I gotta go down on the right a little bit more. You said this is like a little
Yeah, down on the right.
down on the right. I think, or I can go up on the left.
Do you think they changed their logo sizes on each car?
Probably.
Like depending on if it's an SUV or a
Yeah.
sedan. Or...
They said the Nissan brand logo should never appear smaller than 14 millimeters in print.
Wait. Tim,
You?
the Nissan logo's on the bumper, not on the hood.
Not on the hood. Yeah.
The Nissan logo is here.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
I was looking at it, I was like, wait. Hood? But I don't know the Nissan, so I didn't want to say shit.
We use this for like smaller shit like this.
They look like a chick who has like an Etsy business who buy like this type of printing. You know what I'm saying?
Well, then we got that one. That one's even bigger. This is the same brand.
Wait, so what is it? It's like a software that's in your phone and you just...
So Cricut just has an app. So that's how you work that machine. Is through the app. So that one you're allowed to do it on any device really. But that one, the big white one, is you can only use the laptop.
Woo! Al, you see that?
There's one.
Yeah.
Like,
Hood lines.
if the hood is lined up properly, then you should
We should
be
probably
good.
use it. I think we can use the hood lines, right? Yeah. Just go like this right quick. Tim, your girl didn't follow me back.
Oh, where's
Fucked up. What the fuck? About to unfollow her, man.
Damn.
Amy got egoed.
That's fucked, man. Wait, slow down. Alright, go.
Definitely has like a cool little touch to it.
Yeah, just a little something.
Yeah.
It might not be too long until there's a McLaren in here getting the same thing. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh?
I'll let you know.
Never had that. You're McLaren? You got a McLaren?
Yeah, not yet. That's the goal. Hopefully by the end of this year it works.
Which one?
720S.
That's my favorite one.
So, photo shoot? You know?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, are you coming?
I got a
There's
spot.
I can come for a bit because I'm gonna get photos of it anyway for the
I
Instagram.
want to see. I want to.
Yeah.
Because I don't think you've ridden in my car either.
Ran into it?
Ridden in it.
No.
So I want to see how it compares to yours.
Oh, mine's crazy, bro. But mine's blown motor.
Don't worry about the dash, man. I got a bunch of Christmas lights going on here.
trend going on where they had every single pump had a car, in the middle it had a car, and every single pump, all these pumps were filled with cars. Like 15 state troopers came and shut it down here. But they saw it on a TikTok. They did it somewhere else, so they decided to do it here. And which is crazy too, because they did a car meet here at this 7-Eleven, and this whole lot was packed, all the way over there behind it, and it was all packed. So I don't know why that happened, but it is what it is.
That was here?
That was here. But so there was another one, and they tried to do one here, and then they shut that shit down. So that's why I was like, yo, act like you're pumping gas so I don't fuck with you here.
Alright, keep going. Alright, right there.
Jesus. Look like some spaghetti.
Damn, dude, those are fucking. What brand are those? Well, it don't matter. They're fucking nothing.
I think that's it.
There's no fucking tread, bro. Yo, you got race slicks on those motherfuckers.
Jeez.
We just gotta make sure we can get back to the crib now. Yeah, I heard that shit slap, and as soon as I left the parking lot, I was like, well, I'm not gonna make it 20.
It's okay, you got AAA. Full coverage, right?
Yeah. So on the next episode, we're gonna get new tires.
Nice
Yo,
meeting you,
good
bro.
to meet you, Dave. Of course.
Let me know if you need anything else, man.
100%.
I can get you tires too.
Yeah, please do.
Let me know. Text me the tire size, and I'll call my boy.
You think he'll give you a discount or?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It depends what tire. Like if you're looking for like Toyos or something. Yeah.
Cheap fucking used.
Yeah.
Good seeing you too, man.
It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, bro.